Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to turn off auto update apps on Google Play Store. Alright guys, let's get into it. First of all, we can open our Google Play Store application on our Android phone. And after we have this Google Play Store application opened, we can go to our profile, click on this profile button. In here we have to select settings. Okay, and click on the network preferences, and since we want to turn off auto update apps, we can click on this option. Okay, and if we want to turn it off, we just need to click on this don't auto update apps right here. And after you activate this feature, your application in your Android phone won't be automatically updated. Alright guys, and that's how we can turn off auto update apps on Google Play Store. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.